Let's talk about different types of algorithms in Python. There are many types of algorithms that can be implemented in Python. Here I am just going to show you some common ones. Now, the first type of algorithm is sorting algorithm. Sorting algorithms are used to store data in ascending or descending order. Example of sorting algorithm can be bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, and so on. So we are going to talk about them in different sections. Now the next type of algorithm is searching algorithm. Searching algorithms are used to find a specific value in a data set. So as an example, we can say linear search, binary search, and some other searching algorithms. Now the next type of algorithm is graph algorithm. Graph algorithms are used to work with data that can be represented as graph. So in this course, we are going to learn depth first search, breadth first search, and Dijkstra's algorithm, which are the most famous graph algorithms. Next type of algorithm is recursive algorithm. Recursive algorithms are used to solve the problems by breaking them down in a similar subproblems that are of similar nature. And we are going to discuss about recursive algorithms in a separate section as well. And the next type of algorithm is divide and conquer algorithm. Divide and conquer algorithms are used to solve problems by breaking them down into smaller subproblems, solving each subproblem independently and combining the results. The example of this algorithm can be quicksort or merge. Now the next type of algorithm is dynamic algorithm. Dynamic programming algorithms are used to solve problems by breaking them down into smaller subproblems. They work based on memorization to find the best solution. The example for this algorithm can be knapsack problems. The next type of algorithm is greedy algorithms. In this algorithm, we take the best case we can without worrying about the future consequences. We hope that by choosing a local optimum solution at each step, we will end up at a global optimum solution. The next type of algorithm is brute force algorithm. It simply tries all possibilities until a satisfactory solution is found. Then, the last type of algorithm is randomized algorithm. This algorithm uses a random number at least once during the computation to make a decision. So these are the few examples of many type of algorithms that can be implemented in Python. See you in the next session. Till then, keep learning, keep smiling. Take care. Bye bye.